Hi and welcome to my channel. I am Peter. I build custom scale model cars and RC cars and trucks for customers or for myself. In this video I'm going to make a BTCC inspired Citroën Xantia. The base model I am using is a 1/18 scale from Segem. It's a really old model and I had this laying around for about I think 15 or 20 years. A couple of years ago I started with this project and never finished it. So I thought now it was time to rebuild it. But first let's take it apart. And after I'd taken off all the parts, it was time for sanding to prep it for its new paint. So when I was finished with sanding the car, it was time to paint it silver metallic. In total I put on 3 coats of silver metallic. And after that I let it dry for about 24 hours before I put the clear coat on. But in the meanwhile I've taken the interior apart. And when you're new at my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Put on your notifications bell and watch my whole videos please. You help me a lot. In the meanwhile I painted the surroundings from the windows black. And just a quick test fit with the body on the chassis. There's going to be 18-inch wheels on the car, so I had to make them fit. On the rear it wasn't much work. But on the front I had to sand and grind a lot of material. But now it's really low, just like a real BTCC race car. I didn't do much about the interior because it's going to be a street driven car, but BTCC inspired. And I gave the engine bay some more detail. And I put the dashboard back in place and the door panels. Now it was time to put it back together for the final time. And in the meanwhile I mounted the rear taillights and made some more black surroundings around the windows. And what's a BTCC race car without a spoiler? So let's make one. And I final wrapped the roof in black. And I made a new tailpipe from an old antenna I had laying around. And some license plates, new windows, and I tinted them. And with this the project is coming to an end. I want to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment or subscribe. And put on your notifications bell. And I hope I see you the next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.